So you've decided to go for a woven wrap. That's a great choice. They're wonderful from newborn all the way up until toddlerhood. So now I'm sure you're trying to figure out which size to go for. So it can be a bit overwhelming when you start to research into woven wraps and their different lengths. But we are here to make that choice much more simple for you. So the choice of size is determined by your size and also the types of carries that you'd like to do. So we'd recommend that you start with using a front wrap cross carry, which is the carry that I'm wearing at the moment. So with this, you can carry your baby from newborn all the way up until toddlerhood. It's really comfortable, it spreads the weight really evenly, and it's a perfect carry to start out as it's super easy to learn. So wrap sizes are determined by their length rather than their width. So here we have a woven wrap, and they're all very similar width. Now if you are going for a smaller size, that would be a size 2 and it's about 2.7 metres. A longer size is a size 7 and it is 5.2 metres. For most people, a size 6 will be perfect for a front wrap cross carry. However, if you're a UK size 14, which is US 10 or EU 42, then you should go for one size up, which is a size 7. And if you're a UK 8, which is a US 4 or an EU 36, then you should go for one size smaller, which is a size 5. And if you're tall, just a reminder that you should go for one size up. So if you are UK size 8 and you're quite tall, say 5'10" or above, then you should go for a size 6. And if you're looking for further information on any sizing, then you can find this in the link below, and we have a comprehensive guide on our website. So I'm wearing a size 6, and as you can see, I've got a bit of length left here at the back after I've knotted it. So if I was to go for a size 7, then I would have even more length here, and I would be able to just bring it round the front and tie it in a knot away at the front there as well. Now I could also wear a size 5, which would mean that I would have less length left here from my front wrap cross carry. So if you're just starting out, we would recommend that you really learn the front wrap cross carry first, and once you've got that one figured out, you can then use the different lengths to try different carries. If you're still not too sure which size to go for, then comment below and we'll be glad to help you. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell for more educational videos so that we can help you on your baby wearing journey. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.